So this is a first of a few word problems that we'll do this week. We see that a medical supply company produces 3,304 syringes. We want to know how many 12 syringe packages can be filled and what would be left over. Okay, so they want to sell these, in groups of 12. And how many packages of 12 would there be? So we need to do some division. Okay. We need to divide this number by 12 to see what we get. Okay, so if we pull out our calculator and we take 3,304 and divide by 12, we're going to get 275.3 repeated. 275.3 repeated. So now we know there are 275 packages. That's what that tells us. So we know, we can say therefore, there are, or there will be, once they fill them, 275 packages. That's no problem. But the question, that's an ugly looking S. The question is, how many are left over? Well, to decide how many is left over, we have to look at this kind of decimal. So all you do on your calculator for leftover, you take this 0.33 repeated on your calculator and you multiply it by 12 because that's how many were in a package. Okay? If we did long division, you'd see the remainder come up right away. But you multiply by 12 and that's going to equal 4. And you can say therefore, there are 4 syringes left over. Okay, so 4 extra syringes. Okay, if you did it through long division, I'll take a red here, different color. It would look like this. Okay, I'm not saying you have to do long division, but I want to show you what it looks like. 12 goes into 33 twice, 24. 33 minus 24 is 9, leaving me with 9. I would bring down the 0. 12 goes into 90 7 times. 12 times 7 is 84. I would do the subtraction, right, because we always subtract, giving me 6. I bring down the 4, 64. 12 goes into 64 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60, leaving me 4 left over. So if you did it with long division, you would see that there are 275 packages. And you would see that there were 4 left over. Okay? But long division takes a lot longer. So this little technique of taking the decimal bit and multiplying it by how many are in the package is going to give you the exact same answer. So either way, we know there's 275 packages of syringes, and we know there's 4 syringes left over.